Welcome children. Today we will discuss about the derived logic gates. There are some gates which are available with a combination of two or more fundamental gates. Fundamental means basic gates. Such gates are referred to as derived logic gates. These gates also use two or more than two input signals but produce a single output based upon certain logical operations. Okay, so first gate is NOR gate. First gate is NOR gate. What is the NOR gate? This gate is a combination of OR and NOT gate. All of you know the OR gate. It's a combination of OR and NOR gate. So first of all, we draw the OR gate. It's OR gate. We take two inputs. Okay. It produces one output. Combination of OR and NOT gate. So after this, after draw the OR gate, we draw the NOT gate. Okay. Clear? Here suppose value is AB, so it will produce using OR gate, it will produce A plus B. Here is the NOT sign. NOT sign is used to just reverse the value or reverse complement of the input. So here input is A plus B, so it will produce A plus B whole bar. Okay, it's a NOR gate symbol, or you can draw like this. NOT sign. This sign is represent as a NOT sign. Okay, so here when we pass the A and B value, so it will produce A plus B whole bar. You can draw this symbol as well as this symbol. It's a combination of two gates, OR gate and NOT gate. Here is the same, it's a OR gate and this symbol represent the NOT sign. So first gate is the NOR gate. Let's see the truth table of NOR gate. Here I am taking two variables A and B. Write the combinations of two variables. Okay. It will produce A plus B, or you can write A plus B, then A plus B whole bar. First of all, it perform A plus B, so 0, 1, 1, 1. Then A plus B whole bar. It's a A plus B value, or here is the 1, just complement of the value. It's a final result or final output of the NOR gate, 1, 0, 0, 0. Or you can say that it's a just opposite of OR gate. It's a this column represent the OR gate. This column present the OR gate output. It's a 0, 1, 1, 1, and when we pass with NOR gate, it will produce just reverse the value, just opposite the value of OR gate. Okay. So first gate is the derived gate, logic gate is the NOR gate. Next derived logic gate is the NAND gate. This gate is a combination of AND NOT gate. In this system, a NOT gate is applied at the output of an AND gate. It receives two or more than two input signals but result in only one output signal, which is complement of product of all input signals. Okay, let's see the diagram or symbol of NAND gate and truth table of NAND gate. It's just opposite, or you can say the combination of AND gate and NOT gate. So here is the AND gate. AND gate It output is A dot B. Its output. After this output again pass with NOT gate, and it will produce A dot B whole bar. Okay, so it's a combination of and NOT gate. You can draw this diagram like this. AND gate is a NOT sign. We pass here value, 3 value A, B, C, 3 inputs. It will produce A dot B dot C whole bar. Clear? It's a NAND gate symbol. If you want to see the truth table of NAND gate, AB is a just reverse or just opposite of the AND gate. Because it's a complement, here is the NOT sign is present, means it just reverse the value. First of all, we draw the combinations of A and B. Then A dot B. We find the value of A dot B. So here dot means just product, 0, 0, 0, last one is 1. When we complement of A dot B, so it just reverse the value 1, 1, 1, 0. It's a NAND gate circuit. Universal gate. Universal gates means NAND and NOR are known as universal gates because all the other gates means basic gates and not or can be constructed using only these two gates. Any Boolean or logical expression can be realized by using AND or NOT gate. Okay, these two operations and NAND and NOR are sufficient for realization of any logic expression. So these two gates are known as universal gate. Okay.